Estonia is recognized as one of the most advanced digital economies globally. The advanced digital infrastructure makes Estonia an attractive destination for entrepreneurs. Opening a company remotely from anywhere in the world is a key advantage for international businesses. This ease of access simplifies establishing a presence in Europe. Estonian company types include LLC, Fast Setup LLC, Free Zone LLC, Public Limited Company, LLP, Representative Office, and Branch Office. Each Estonian company type has a corresponding Estonian name. Different Estonian company types are best suited for specific business use cases. A regular LLC, Osaühing, is suitable for all product and service businesses. A Free Zone LLC, Vabatsuni Firma, is optimal for manufacturing and export activities. This comparison table helps viewers quickly understand which entity aligns with their business model. Animated timelines compare the operational readiness of different entity types. Key operational tasks include invoicing clients, hiring staff, leasing office space, opening a corporate bank account, and registration and tax number acquisition. Timelines display the estimated time required for each task, facilitating comparisons between entities. Entrepreneurs can assess the speed and efficiency of each entity in launching business operations. Corporate tax rates for Estonian business entities, including LLCs, free zones, PLCs, LLPs, representative offices, and branches, are compared. Corporate tax, applied to distributed profits, ranges from 0% to 20% depending on the entity and its structure. VAT implications on local sales are generally 20% across entity types. Annual returns and audits are required for all entity types. Estonian company types have specific structural and regulatory requirements. The minimum number of shareholders or partners varies depending on the type of entity. Certain Estonian company structures require a resident director. Some Estonian company types allow for the issuance of preference shares. Estonian companies can own intellectual property and trademarks. Estonian companies are permitted to engage in export and import activities. Estonian entities, excluding representative offices, permit 100% foreign ownership. Estonian entities offer multi-currency bank accounts, facilitating international transactions. Most Estonian entities do not require a physical presence, enabling remote business operations. Estonian entities can access EU VAT and trade benefits, enhancing market competitiveness. Under certain conditions, Estonian entities can participate in EU government contracts. Representative offices are limited to R&D and market research and cannot generate revenue.